Shakas! Aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I got my January club kit from the Stamps of Life in the mail, and so I'm just going to do a little quick unboxing so you guys can see all the stuff that you get, for all the stuff you're going to get in here. So let's open it up. Wow! And let's take all this stuff out. Ooh, see this? This bag, I got this bag actually because Arizona hosted one of the last rubber stamping conventions before COVID shut everything down. So I was able to go and see Ken there and get a few things. So every year I've gone, I've gotten a new lanyard that she gave out and a new button. And look at the luggage tag. I didn't write on the back of this. I wonder if this was this year's. I wrote on the back of this. This was 2018. So that's the year I signed up to join their club. That's how long I've been a member. But look at all this fun stuff I've gotten from them over the years at convention or wherever. But okay, let's get into the unboxing. That's what you're here to see. Okay, let me get everything out. So off the bat, if you remember, I did the Die Hard unboxing earlier in the month. I'll link that video here if you didn't see it. But it coordinates with the club card kit. And here is the die and stamp set that you get. And then the inspiration card. There's an inspiration card here as well. And they also have a gallery, so there's tons of inspiration on their website. So we get this cute yellow polka dot bows. We get some puffy stickers. We get another sentiment. You're so cool. I'm so lucky to have a friend like you. We got some white enamel dots. We got a die and a shadow that will cut out, I believe, this seahorse and this fish from the stamp set as well. And then we also got a die, a word die that says Loving Life with the shadow as well. And then this is new. She has included a different paper pack size. This is a 6x9. And so you get 24 sheets, double-sided. You get more paper, I feel. But it all coordinates with everything she sent in the club kit. And you get 2 of each. It repeats. But here, this fish tank, you can use the dies from the Die Hard kit to cut those out. And then all of the sea creatures, you have dies to cut those out. All of these, yeah, so fun. Look at the colors, they're nice and bright. You also got 2 spools of ribbon, a gray one, and this like leather cord type of one. And then you get an envelope to store your whole kit in. You get a pack of A2 size envelopes. This is a card kit. And then you get cardstock. Sorry for the crinkling. That coordinates with everything as well in your kit. And I'll just fan out the colors. And there you can see those. They will match with everything that is in. There's the papers it'll match with, the ribbon, the stickers, the bows. Yep. So this January 2021's club kit, it's called Loving Life. It's the Loving Life collection. So for more videos like these, see here, please consider liking and subscribing. Till my next video, shakas!